This house is everything I have wanted.
Great. Shall we write up an offer?
But I am feeling a hostile energy.
If these walls could talk.
I can.
Personally, I don't believe in any of that evil spirit mumbo jumbo. But to pay the bills. Well, this is Gloria. She'll be addressing your concerns.
Todo nuestro Señor.
There's something you're not telling me about this house. I am kind of getting a murdery vibe.
The only killing that's ever going to happen in this house is the one that's going to happen when you sell the place.
Laughter makes the spirits hungry, Phil.
Spirits? You mean there's more than one? Oh, hi, Gil.
I could give you one tiny note. Mrs. Graham's terror level, which should be going down.
You can't believe what I'm sensing right now. There is like a humming sound, vibrations, fear.
Bill!
Hey!
It's bad, isn't it?
No, it's actually really good. Right, Gloria?
Sorry, but there is a disturbing presence in this house.
Well, that is it for me.
Okay. Mrs. Graham's car is on its way. You have 5 minutes to convince her that this house is fine.
This wall, Phil.
No, I am done with this nonsense.
Can't believe I'm hearing this from a person that believes in magic.
But magic isn't actually magic. That didn't come from your ear.
What? How? You're with them.
Everybody says what? How? Things that seem supernatural actually have a perfectly logical explanation.
Oh, it's warm, Phil. It's radiating evil.
It is not radiating evil. Oh, that is warm. Oh! Okay. The sellers are on their way home. Let's just put everything back the way we found it. Maybe swing by a church. Come on. Oh!
Oh, my God. Miss! Good news, Mrs. Graham. It's only Miss.
I'll follow up with the escrow documents. Congrats! Ow!